Okay, so now we have trinomials times binomials and vice versa. So all you're going to do is use the distributive property. So multiply the first term in the first set of parentheses by everything in the second set. So we have negative 2x cubed times 2x squared. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4. X cubed times x squared, you add the exponent, so we get x to the 5th power. Now we have negative 2x cubed times positive 11. So for the numbers, we get negative 22. And then we keep the x cubed. And now I'm writing a little large, so I might have to go on to the next line even. So we have 9x times everything in the second set. So 9 times 2 would be 18. X times x squared would be x cubed. And then we have 9x times 11, so plus 99x. And finally, we have negative 2 times 2x squared, so minus 4x squared. And I ran out of room, so I have to continue on the next line. And negative 2 times 11 minus 22. So here we want to stop. We want to check, are there like terms? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. This is a 5th degree, so quintic polynomial. Chances are there are some like terms, and it looks like we have x to the 3rd power. The other thing we want to verify is our answer in order? Do the exponents go from biggest to smallest? Which it looks like they don't, because we have 99x here. So let's combine like terms and bring everything down. So negative 4x to the 5th power is the highest exponent. We have no x to the 4th, so we have to combine these two terms. Negative 22 plus 18 is negative 4. X cubed. And then before we do the x, we want to do the x squared. So minus 4x squared. And then plus 99x minus 22. And that's our final answer. For example 5. Looks pretty similar, only the trinomials on the right, binomials on the left. But we still follow the distributive property, so we have to distribute the y cubed first. So y to the 3rd times y squared is y to the 5th. And then we multiply it by 3y, so we'll have a 3 as a coefficient. And then y cubed times y is y to the 4th. Again, invisible 1, so 3 plus 1, 4. And finally, we'll multiply it by the 3, so minus 3y cubed. Next up, distribute the 6y squared. So 6y squared times y squared would be 6y, and then the exponent would be 4th power. And then we'll multiply it by 3y, so we'll have 6 times 3, 18y. Y squared times y would be y cubed. And then finally, we multiply it by negative 3, so negative 18 y to the 2nd power. All right, so let's follow the order of exponents. So greatest to least, we have y to the 5th. Then we have a couple y to the 4th that we can combine. So 3 and 6 would make 9. The exponents, you keep the same. You don't add the exponents when you're adding. You only add them when you multiply. Then we have the y cubed. Negative 3 plus 18 is positive 15. And then last but not least, we'll just bring down the minus 18y squared. And there are no other terms left over, so that's our final answer.